found a glitch in this thing.
Where's your candy, Divya?
I hope I can get out of it.
Oh, wow. Well, the chips are all crushed. Do you know what you're dressed up as? Can you say chicken? Are you a chicken?
No.
Yeah. Yes, you are. Say chicken. Chicken. What are you doing? Say chicken. Chicken. Divya, look at Mama. Whoa. You're staring at the flash. Chicken. Say chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Nice little chicken beak up there. Oh, big burp from the candy. Divya, are you a bird? Bird? No, you just want to go back to your candy? Wow, go get your candy. You look so cute.
Oh wow, Divya, you look so pretty.
Oh, look at that stack of candy. I love the feet. Can you say chicken?
Chicken.
Good girl.